space food is mushrooms. Your name wasn't attached to it when I first read this, and I'm like, what is happening here? Partner, what is happening?
Well, what's happening is they're looking for food that can grow in space. And what you want to have is food that doesn't use a lot of water, because water is very expensive to take up there or even produce in space with electrolysis. That's a lot of electricity. You don't want to do that. So you want something that grows very, very fast, because you want food kind of quickly. You don't have days to gather up everyone's poop and make potatoes.
What? This is
the Martian.
This is a plot point of Mickey 17, by the way, a little bit. So,
so what they're looking for is they're going to try to grow mushrooms in orbit.
Wait. Can we look at this label for a second here? If you're on audio here, Mission Mush Vroom.
Vroom.
No, I don't want to go to space anymore.
Anymore?
I don't like mushrooms. If that's where I'm gonna have to eat, I don't want to go. Give me the astronaut ice cream. Tang is fine. The ice cream I can choke down, but no mushrooms.
Listen, this is just a balanced part. This is just a part of your balanced diet in space. Okay,
I don't like that.
that. They'll work it out.
They're actually they're looking for things that are grow, pick, and eat. So you don't have to prepare it once it grows. You can basically
get the
pick
berries.
it, and so they're looking at lettuce, tomatoes, and mushrooms.
There you go.
As things that kind of grow quickly. You can do it. And mushroom, as they mentioned here, it's one of the foods that contain vitamin D.
There you go.
So
you can get your D.
Space,
what you need.
You need that extra D. That's a way to do it.
Yeah.
And this person says they double in size every day. You don't need specialized fertilizer, and they say you don't need a lot of water. They also have potassium. So it's a very nutrient dense food, and you can grow it quickly. And they're actually it's a SpaceX mission where it's only going to be in orbit for, I think, 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
So they're going to try to grow quickly, bring it back down, compare it to mushrooms that were left in Florida.
Is that a taste test?
I don't know if they're going to taste
it. Yeah, I'm sure it's part of that. But I hope a taste test is part of it. Put it on a pizza and see what happens.
Yeah.
I think I've seen this episode of Ninja Turtles.
Probably.
Yeah.
Most definitely.
Yes.
But yeah, so it's, and again, it's, if we want to go to space more than just the International Space Station that's been up there for 25 years now,